the transformation from a plant to a finished product that involve three types of economic activity. They are primary activity, secondary activity, and tertiary activity. So these are three types of activity involved. Okay. When first that, okay, we obtain a that natural resources from the nature. Okay. So from natural resources, we produce some new things like that. This is a duster. Okay. So this is obtained from nature, means from wood. Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute, please. So from the nature, okay, this dusters it come from wood. Okay, and wood it is we get from nature. Okay, it is the natural resources. Okay, so from that natural resources to that final product, duster it is a final product. Okay, so there are three types of activities are involved. Which are they? First it is primary activity. Second it is huh, first primary activities, secondary activities, and tertiary activities. Primary activities, there are production. In secondary activities, there are processing or manufacturing. And in tertiary, there are service. Okay. So these are the three types of activities: primary activities, secondary activities, and tertiary activities. So these are the three types of activities are involved in their production. Okay. Primary activities include all those that connected with extraction and production of natural resources. Okay. So which are connected with the natural resources. Okay. That is extraction and production of natural resources. You know that coal we extract from the mines. Okay. So extraction. Okay. We extract coal from the mines. Na? So these are extraction, and second is production. Okay. So these are involved in the primary activities: production and extraction of the natural resources. Coal is a natural resources we learn in previous chapter. So it is connected with the natural resources. Okay, extraction and production of natural resources. This is called primary activities. Understood? Then second, okay, there are agriculture, fishing, mining, gathering are good examples of agriculture or primary activities also. Okay. Yes. Then secondary activities are connected with the processing of these resources. So there are process. Secondary activities means process. Okay. To make a duster from a tree. Okay. There is a process. Okay. So this processing, it is involved in secondary activities. You know that we buy a notebook from shop. Okay. So it obtained from the natural resources. You know that bamboo pulp. Okay. So from this bamboo pulp, then from this bamboo pulp, we got papers. Okay. After that, this paper sent to the printing press. Okay. There they binding it, and after that they sell to the market, and after we buy from a shop. So these all these activities are included here. Okay, all these activities are involved here. So mainly three activities are: first is primary activities, secondary activities, and tertiary activities. So these are the three activities involved in the production. Okay. Then manufacturing of steel, baking of bread, and weaving of cloth are example of this activity. It is about secondary activity. Then tertiary activities provide support to the primary and secondary activities through service. Second, tertiary activities, it is gives support to the primary and secondary activities, okay, through service. And in the service, there are selling, okay, advertising, selling, okay. So these are the means service. It is the tertiary activities, okay. Transport, trade, banking, insurance, and advertising are example of tertiary activities. Okay, so these are the example of tertiary activities. Okay, so now I am asking you some questions. Can you tell me about primary activity? Utkarsh, Nirari, Nishta, Tanvi, tell me about primary activity. Unmute your mic. What is primary activity?
The primary activity include production of
Production
resources.
and extraction of natural resources. Very good.
They include agriculture, fishing.
Yes, fishing, mining. Okay, very good. Okay, then what is secondary activity?
The secondary activities are means processing of those resources which are extracted in primary
No, beta,
activities.
it is about processing and and manufacturing. Secondary activities, it is about processing and manufacturing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and what about tertiary activities?
Tertiary
One
activities
that
provide
provides support to
Provide
primary
support to primary and the
and
secondary activity.
secondary sector through services.
Okay.
Transport, insurance, trade, banking,
Yes,
and
support.
advertising.
Very good, very good.
Some of the
Support to
examples.
primary and secondary activity. Okay, very good. Good. Now mute your mic. Agriculture is a primary activity. It includes growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and rearing of livestock. Okay, that rearing of livestock. This is also include in agriculture. Okay, that poultry farm. This is also example of rearing livestock. Okay, so this is also a agriculture activity. In the world, 50% of person are engaged in agriculture activity. 50% person are engaged in, and in our India, more than 65%. Okay, person are engaged in agriculture. Okay, and our India is agriculture based country. Okay, two-thirds of India's population of tertiary activities. Okay, so these are mostly people are engaged in agriculture activity. So which kinds of climate need for the agriculture? First is favorable topography of soil and climate are vital for agriculture activity. First, we need favorable topography. Okay, means we need plain land. Okay, we need plain land. Then we need fertile soil and good climate. Okay, for the agriculture, we need plain land. Then we need fertile soil, good quality of soil, and good quality of fertilizers. Okay, also we need. And main thing is that climate. Okay, we need rainy season, na? So these three things, topography, climate, and soil, these are very important for the agriculture. The land on which the crops are grown is known as arable land. Okay, so where we can grow crops, it's called arable lands. Okay, means a good quality of soil, and where we can grow crops, these are called arable land. Okay, here is given a figure 4.1. There is a map, and there is given in a green dots, in green colors, which are the arable lands, means where we can grow crops, it's called arable lands. Okay, in the map you can see that uh, agriculture activity is concentrate in those regions of the world where suitable factors for the growing of crops exist. And which are the suitable factors? Three are three. First is topography, second is climate, and third is the soil. So where these three things are available, there they grow crops, and it's called arable land. Okay, here is given. So there is given agriculture means what? The science and art of cultivation on the soil, raising crops and rearing livestock. It is also called farming. So that farming, it's called agriculture. Then sericulture, commercial rearing of silkworms. You know about silkworms. Okay. So commercial rearing of silkworm, it's called sericulture. It may supplement the income of the farmer. Sericulture. Then third is pisciculture, means breeding of fish in specially constructed dams and pond. Okay, so that is called fish culture also. Then next is viticulture, means cultivation of grapes. V for wine. Okay, grapes come. Okay, wine comes from grapes. So viticulture. Okay, so that viticulture means a cultivation of grapes. And then horticultures, that growing vegetables, flowers, fruits, okay, for the commercial purpose, that is called horticulture. So these are the culture. First is agriculture, second sericulture, third culture,
Pisciculture,
viticulture, and horticultures.
viticulture, horticulture.
Horticultures. Okay. Okay. So now I am asking you question. Which are the types of culture? Yes.
Physical,
Huh?
Sir,
One by one.
agriculture,
Sericulture, agriculture,
viticulture, and horticulture.
pisciculture, horticulture,
Yes. Very good.
sericulture.
and sir, viticulture is also there.
Yes. Yes. Very good, beta. Good. So what is viticulture?
Sir, viticulture is
Sir,
the
cultivation of
Cultivation of
grapes.
grapes.
Yes, sir. Cultivation of grapes.
Very good.
Cultivation of grapes.
Grapes. And what is horticulture?
Sir, it is growing
Sir, growing
Cultivation of
vegetables, flowers, and fruits,
Flowers,
fruits,
commercial use.
like sir, vegetables, flowers, and fruit stuff.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now, farm system. Okay. Agriculture of farming can be looked at as a system. Okay, farming, this is also like a system. Okay, we need three things. Okay, input, process, then output. Okay, so this farming is like a system. Okay, that seeds we grow, we spread. Okay, so this is input. Okay, after that laboring. Okay, these are the process, and that crops we get, that is the output. So farming, it is also like a system. The important inputs are seeds, fertilizers, machinery. Okay, so these are the input, main inputs. Okay, then they require process also. Okay, so here is given in page number 42. There is given input, process, and outputs. Okay, labor. Then some of the operation involved. These are plowing, sowing, irrigation, weeding, and harvesting. So these are the process. Okay, weeding, plowing. So these are the process, and the outputs from the system include crops, wool, okay, dairy and poultry production. So that is called outputs. Okay, you you also learn it.
Science. So
Yes,
science
sir.
is
Types of farming has been taught.
In
yes.
science, you might be learn it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so there are
Yes, sir.
inputs, processing, and outputs. Okay, so farming, it is like a system. Okay, so what are the inputs in the farming? What are the
Sir,
inputs are there? What are the
sir,
inputs?
Sir, plumbing,
Seeds.
sowing, irrigation, weeding, and
Okay,
weeding,
Sowing
seeds,
seeds.
harvesting.
seeds, irrigations.
Preparation of soil, then
Fertilizers.
sowing seeds, then
Machinery labor.
This is
irrigation,
the
Sir,
fertilizers.
irrigation, then fertilizers.
then what is about processing? Which are the processing in the farming system?
Sowing,
Sowing,
plumbing,
irrigation,
Sowing,
Sir,
irrigation,
can you please repeat the question?
irrigation,
yes.
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
Okay, what is the process of agriculture? Okay, that farm system. Which are the process?
Sowing, sowing the seeds.
Sir,
Sir,
sowing,
can I
then
tell? First of all,
irrigation,
preparation of
preparing the
seeds,
then
soil,
sowing,
preparation
then
of
and
sowing,
after that,
irrigation,
adding manures
weeding,
and
fertilizers, pest
fertilizers,
control, harvesting,
Okay,
weeding,
and
flying,
storage.
fertilizers,
flying. Okay,
weeding.
then sowing. Okay, so these are the process.
plucking,
Very good. And then outputs, that crops. These are the outputs. Okay,
crops, wool, dairy,
machinery, seeds,
poultry products,
chemicals. All these are inputs. Then
inputs,
plowing, sowing. These are the processing,
outputs.
and crops. These are the
Sorry,
okay.
crops, wool,
And
these
sir,
are
the ready
outputs.
crop is the output.
Yes.
That same only we
Then
told.
third topic is types of farming. Okay. Types types of farming. Third type. Farming is practiced in various ways across the world. There are so many. Your mic, please. Your
Ayushi,
Sir,
mute
mic.
mic.
can you be a bit louder?
Mute your mic, please. Who is talking there?
Ayushi Tiwari.
Nirali, Shravani, mute your mic, beta. Okay, good. So that farming is practiced in various ways across the world. There are so different ways. Okay, ways of practicing farming. Okay, and it is practicing across the world depending upon the geographical conditions. You know that we need favorable topography. Okay, then climate and good soil. Okay, so according to the geographical condition, then demand of produce, labor, and level of technology. So there we can farming. Farming can be classified into two main types. There are two main types. We can classify farming in a two types. First is subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence farming, okay, and second is commercial farming. Subsistence farming means it is meet only family need, okay, and it is in a very small scale, okay. But commercial farming, it is for the commercial purpose, okay, like that poultry farm, it is for the commercial purpose, okay. So there are two types of farming. First, it is for the family, that is called subsistence farming. It is very small scale farming. And second is the commercial farming, okay. Means they sell their produce in the market and they earn money, okay. So it is called commercial farming, okay. So first about subsistence farming. So these types of farming is practiced to meet the need of the farmer's family. So it is a very small scale farming and it is only for their family, okay, to meet the needs of the family members or the farmer's family, okay. So it is very small scale farming to meet the need of farmer's family, called subsistence farming. And traditionally, low levels of technology and household labor are used to produce on small outputs. And subsistence farming can be further classified as intensive subsistence and primitive subsistence. So in that subsistence farming, there are two types also, intensive, and second is that primitive subsistence. So what is the subsistence farming? Subsistence farming means it meets the needs of farmer's family, okay, and it is very small. They grow crops in very small land, okay, and it is not for the commercial purpose. It is for only their family, to meet the need of farmer's family, okay. So that is called subsistence farming. And commercial farming, it's a different. It is for only commercial purpose, okay. They sell their produce in the market and they earn huge profit, okay. So that is called commercial farming. So in the subsistence farming, there are two types. First is primitive and second is intensive subsistence. First is intensive subsistence and second is primitive subsistence, okay. In the here there are two types of farming. First is subsistence farming and second is commercial farming, okay. In the subsistence farming, there are also two types. First, primitive and intensive, okay. So now in intensive subsistence, the farmers cultivate a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. And which labor they use? They use their family labors only, okay. A small plot of land, yes, very small plot of land, okay. And they use traditional tools that plow away, okay, and with the help of family members labor, okay. But in the commercial farming, they use modern techniques and tools like tractors, okay, and they need more labor, more money, and very large plot, okay. So because it is a commercial farming, and so that they need everything more than the subsistence farming. They need more plot, they need more fertilizer, okay, and they use more labor, they use technology like tractor and all this, okay. But in subsistence farming, they are very poor, so their land is also very small plot of a land. Then they use their family members labor, and they use traditional method. They do not afford to use tractors, okay, because they are poor, so they use that plow, okay. And they use traditional methods, not modern method, because they are unable to pay na, and so that they use traditional method. So it is about in subsistence farming, okay. In intensive subsistence agriculture, the farmer cultivate a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Climate with large number of days with sunshine and fertile soil permit growing of more than one crop annually on the same plot. So they can grow one crop annually. Okay, means per year they can grow one crop. Okay. Rice is the main crop. Other crops include wheat, maize, pulses, and oil seeds. Okay, so that intensive subsistence agriculture is prevalent in the thickly populated area of monsoon regions of South, Southeast, and East Asia. Okay, so it is about subsistence farming. Okay, now I am asking you some questions. So, what are the types of farming? What
So
are
there are two
There
types
are
of
two
farming:
types of farming,
There are
commercial
two
farming
types
and
of farming.
farming
subsistence
and
farming.
commercial farming.
Just a minute, beta. What are the
Commercial
main?
farming.
Yes,
What
sir.
are the
There are
main
two
two
types of
types of farming?
farming.
Yes,
Sir,
Oma, please
substance
let us
farming
also
and
tell.
commercial farming.
yes, correct. Correct answer is subsistence farming and commercial farming. So, what is commercial farming? What?
Commercial
Sir,
farming is a
crops are
farming
grown
which is
and
done
animals are
for the
reached for
profit.
sale in the market.
Yes, yes, very good. It is
Sir,
for the
like the area is cultivated, what
very
among
large
the,
plot.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
it is for only commercial, for the money. Okay, commercial farming, it is for only commercial purpose, not for the family. Okay.
Yes, sir, and it has more amount, used more amount of machinery in it.
Yes, yes, very good. They use modern machinery, okay, more labor, okay, okay. And what is about subsistence farming? What is
Sir, it is
subsistence?
like done traditionally with more amount of people, less machinery and less chemical. It is done for their own use purposes.
Okay, very good. It is done for only their family, okay, to meet the needs of the farmer's family only. That is called subsistence farming. Very good. Okay. So now I am going to end this meeting. Okay, beta. Bye. Tomorrow we will see next topic. Okay.
Bye.
Sir, tomorrow geography or history will be there.
Uh, First we have to complete this lesson. After that, sir will continue. Okay.
No period
Okay,
of
sir.
essence.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye, beta.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye. I
Bye.
love you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.